One of the most practical modules that we offer is presenting to groups, and this comes as an outgrowth of our PowerPoint courses. So let's look at a couple of tips and tricks that we're going to share in that module. The first one is don't read your slides. It really is painful when someone stands in front of a room and just reads what's on the screen. Don't do that. You're not using a script. You're using the PowerPoint deck as a support tool for you. It's not a script. And you want to have a dialogue with your audience. You want to engage with them. You want to talk to them, not at them. And finally, if you do choose to use notes, the notes function at the bottom of each screen, put limited notes, a few words, phrases, just something to trigger your memory. Don't put full paragraphs, full sentences, just a few words here and there. The next tip that we have is to consider that when you're presenting, the audience is not comprised of a bunch of you. In other words, if there were 10 of you in the room, you would kill every time, but there aren't. There's a bunch of other people, and they have different points of view. So consider that they're in the room and you're talking to them, not to yourself. Put yourself in their shoes. Okay? What do they want to hear? What are they there to listen for? Okay? You are not the audience, they are. Finally, digestion. The audience's digestion. When you get on a roll in a presentation, it's easy to start speaking fast and to just get into a stream of consciousness. But consider that you want the audience to be able to digest what you're saying. When you speed up, they have more trouble understanding. Insert some pauses. Slow yourself down. Give yourself a little bit of breathing room, okay? Where you can ask a question, put a pause in, and then answer the question yourself if you don't want to solicit responses from the audience. And finally, and it seems silly, but don't forget to breathe. When we get hyped up, we get worked up in a presentation, we sometimes get going and we forget to breathe. Incorporate breathing into what you're doing. It will slow you down. It will put your pacing in a more relaxed way and allow the audience to better understand and digest what you're saying. So these are just a few of the tips and tricks that we offer in this workshop.